Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start with units of capacity. In this topic also you are having only two units that you must have heard about, liters and milliliters. So we will be talking about liters and milliliters only. Bigger to smaller, if you go liters to milliliter, you have to multiply by 1000. If you have to go from smaller to bigger, then milliliters to liters, then you will divide by 1000. Okay, so liter is bigger one, milliliter is smaller one. So when 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml means milliliter, and 1 liter is equals to 1 upon 1000 liters. Only two units are given in your book this time. So there are other units also, but we will be talking about only this units. Capacity means how much quantity of juice or whatever you can keep in a particular thing. Okay, suppose you have to keep there is 1 liter bottle, there is 2 liter jug, there is 10 liter bucket. So this is the capacity of bucket, bottle or jug. Now 76 liters, you have to change it into milliliters. Simple way, the ways that we have earlier used, same way we have to use. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Firstly you have to write the formula, then you will bring this 76 liter here, then you will multiply with 76 with this 1000, so it will be 76,000 milliliter. Same type of question I have given you here so that you people can practice. Then here 9 liter 87 milliliter is given. So what you people are going to do, again you have to write as liter 2 milliliter we are going, so we have to write the formula first. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Now 9 liter we will bring down, 9 liter we will change into milliliter first. 9 will multiply by this 1000, so it will become 9000 milliliters. Then again we will write whole question here, 9 liter 87 ml, and then this 9000 we will write it from here, 87 we will write it here, but when you will add it will be 9087 milliliter. Same question I have given you here for your practice. Then we have 5 by 10 liters is equals to, we have to change it into milliliters. Again 1 liter, milliliter to milliliter, bigger to smaller. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. 5 by 10 question, or you can write 1 by 5 also, you will get the same answer. So it will be 5 by 10 and you have to multiply, because liter to milliliter we are going, so you will multiply by 1000. So 0 will cut with 0, 5 will multiply by 100, the answer will be 500 ml. Like this F question I have given homework. Then you have 40,000 milliliter 2 liter. Now we are going from smaller to bigger. So 1 milliliter is equals to 1 upon 1000 liters. Again you will write the formula. This 40,000 you will write it here. Again you will write this 40,000, and this 1000 you will write in the denominator. 30 will cut 30 and 10 will be left. From behind you always have to cut. So it will be 40 will be left. So it will be 40 liters. Here I have given you homework for same type of question. Now 3 1 by 2 liters, we have to change it into milliliters. 3 1 by 2 liters, we have to change it into milliliters. So here 1 liter, bigger to smaller we are going. So 1 liter we have to write 1000 ml. Firstly we will take this 3. So 3 liter is equals to 3 will multiply by this 1000. It will be 300 milliliters. Now we will take half. Half liter is equals to 500 ml. Whenever you are doing the half of anything, so liter to milliliter, it will be 500. Then 3.5 liter will be 3000 plus 500 milliliters. It will be 3500. So we are going to write 3500 milliliters. Okay. This type of question I have given you homework to practice. Now K part is 56,850 milliliters, and you have to change it into liters. So how you are going to do it? It will be 1 milliliter, milliliter to liter we are going. So it will be 1 milliliter is equals to 1 upon 1000 formula first. Then again you will write the question. Again you will write the question, and this 1000 you will write in denominator. From here you are bringing this denominator. 0 will cut 0, or you can keep it also. This 0 will take 5, this 0 will take 8, and 1 will become point. So it will be 56.85 liter also, 0.850 liter also, or you can write like this. Before point you can write like this also, 56 liters 85 or 850 milliliters. That is also fine. So it's your wish how you want to represent your answer. So L part I have given you homework for your practice. Same type of question is there in your practice question. Okay students, I hope that these questions are clear to you. We have done the conversion of mass, length and capacity, and I hope that all the concepts are clear to you. Bye bye. Have a good day.